Ever found the perfect hotel but couldn't get a simple question answered? Well, AI is changing that game.
So let's talk about Petra. She thinks she's found the one, hotel-wise, but she's got questions. First up, the big one. Is breakfast included? We've all wondered that, right?
Then, the practical stuff. How much is parking? No one likes surprise fees.
And here's the real deal breaker. Can her dog come too? Super important for pet owners.
But here's the snag. The website's no help, and the front desk is just...
So, what does she do? She gives up. She books a different hotel. Simple as that.
And this isn't just about Petra. It's a huge deal. Every unanswered call is a lost booking. We're talking serious money here. Thousands of euros in lost revenue every single month. But what if you could fix this? That's where AIVA comes in. It's an AI assistant for hotels. This thing knows everything about the hotel. Room types, policies, local spots, you name it. And the best part? It's always on, 24/7. Phone, chat, message, it doesn't matter. So let's look at the difference. It's basically night and day for the customer experience. Now, with AIVA, Petra gets all her answers in like 30 seconds flat. No waiting around. So for the guest, it's a total win. No waiting, no surprises. They can just book confidently. And for the hotel, it's like having the perfect employee that never, ever takes a day off. Which leaves you with one big question. What if your business never missed a single question again?